Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are going to simplify a quadratic expression. So it can be simplified by collecting like terms. So in this case here, I saw that there is a 8x squared and a negative 3x squared. This will actually give me 8 minus 3. Very good. Positive 5x squared and positive 5x, and we are done simplifying already because do take note, x squared and x are unlike terms, so we cannot simplify them further. This will be the answer for this question. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.